Welcome the our channel. Today we how to improve passive income with Patreon, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding what Patreon is and how it functions. Patreon is a platform that allows creators to earn money from their fans through memberships. Begin by identifying your niche and target audience. Consider what type of content you want to create and share. Research similar creators on Patreon to understand their approach and strategies. Next, create a compelling profile. Use high-quality images and engaging descriptions to attract potential patrons. Clearly communicate your value proposition. Explain why your content is worth paying for. Set realistic membership tiers. Ensure each tier offers unique benefits that resonate with your fans. Develop a content calendar to maintain consistency. Planning your content in advance will keep your patrons engaged and excited. Regularly update your patrons with exclusive content. Offer patrons behind-the-scenes access, early releases, or special Q&A sessions. Engage proactively with your community. Respond to messages and comments to build a loyal relationship with your patrons. Promote your Patreon across other platforms. Share links on your social media, website, or other channels where your audience connects with you. Consider creating a special launch offer to attract early supporters. This could include discounted rates or limited-time exclusive content. Monitor your progress regularly. Track your monthly income and member growth to evaluate what works best. Be open to feedback from your patrons. Listening to their suggestions can help you refine your offerings and improve retention. Experiment with different types of content. Incorporate polls or surveys to allow your patrons to influence future content. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.